In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Alias in Gmail account in. To get started, open Gmail on your computer, because these options are easiest to find on the desktop version. Once you are in your inbox, look to the top right corner and select the Settings gear icon. From that menu, choose See All Settings. This opens the full settings page where Gmail keeps the tools for adding and managing email addresses. Next, move to the tab called Accounts and Import. This section is where Gmail lets you control how sending and importing works across different addresses. Scroll until you find the area labeled Send Mail As. This is the feature that allows you to send emails from another address while still working inside your main Gmail inbox. In the Send Mail As section, select Add another email address. A small window will appear. Here, enter the name you want recipients to see in the From field. Then enter the alias email address you want to send from. Take your time to confirm the spelling, because this address is what Gmail will attach to outgoing messages. When everything looks correct, select Next Step. Now you will configure the sending details for that email address. You will be asked for the SMTP server, along with a username and password for the account you are adding. SMTP is the service that actually sends messages on behalf of that address, so these details must match what the email provider requires. If you are not sure what to enter, check the email provider's SMTP settings, because the server name and sign-in format can vary. Also, make sure you type carefully, since a small mistake can prevent Gmail from connecting. After you enter the required SMTP information, select Add Account. Gmail will then send a confirmation message to the alias email address. Go to that mailbox, find the email from Gmail, and copy the confirmation code. Return to the verification window in Gmail, paste in the confirmation code, and select Verify. Once it is verified, the alias will be available in the From menu when you compose a new email, so you can choose which address to send from. And that is all there is to it.